So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So, but before you go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our movements. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is. Then you have to trade with the trend. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. Now, what can we say the trend is on our GBPJPY? It is very clear. This is very much visible. GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move on GBPJPY. You can clearly see that GBPJPY have been giving us a series of higher and higher low. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement right here. Guys, take a look at this movement. I want you guys to see something. Market was ranged within this level, right? So this level was once our resistance, and this level at the bottom was once our support level. Now, if you take a look at that, you all know break and retest pattern. Once market breaks out of your support level, maybe market breaks out of the support level, it must come back to retest that support level. Or if market breaks out of the resistance level, it must come back to retest it. And this is what market has done right here. Market broke out of our resistance level, then it came back to retest it. Now the market has retested it, guess what you should be expecting? We should expect market to actually push up again. So this is to tell you that we should be anticipating for some bullish move for the day on our GBPJPY. So GBPJPY should be giving us a bullish move for the day. That is what you should be expecting. Now let's go down to the forward time frame right here. Before you go in for the buy, remember, only get your buy set up. Do not just hop in for the buy. Only get your buy set up before you go in for the buy. If you do not get the buy set up, it will be best to start up this trade. But once you get the buy set up, then you can go ahead for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.